Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kaze in Brawl Stars. Kaze is a high-damage assassin, excelling at quick eliminations. Their primary attack, Shadow Slash, deals 800 damage at close range, piercing through enemies. Kaze's super, Phantom Dash, allows them to teleport 20 tiles, becoming invulnerable for 2 seconds. This makes Kaze perfect for ambushing key targets or escaping dangerous situations. Mastering their burst potential is crucial for success. Kaze gadgets and star powers significantly enhance their kit. Smokescreen provides crucial invisibility for escapes or surprise attacks, lasting 3 seconds within a 5-tile radius. Shadow Step offers quick super recharge, allowing for more aggressive plays. For star powers, Swift Strike boosts Kaze's speed after a super, perfect for chasing or repositioning. Alternatively, Vampiric Blade provides sustain, healing Kaze for 30% of their primary attack damage, making them more resilient in fights. Effective Kaze play involves smart positioning and timing. Always look for opportunities to ambush from bushes or behind cover, maximizing your Shadow Slash damage. Use Phantom Dash, not just for offense, but also defensively to escape dangerous situations or dodge powerful enemy supers. Focus on eliminating high-priority targets such as throwers or sharpshooters first. Remember to conserve your super for those critical moments, whether it's securing a key elimination or making a swift, safe retreat from a losing engagement. Kaze shines in game modes like Gem Grab, Bounty, and Knockout, where their burst damage and mobility are highly valuable for securing objectives and eliminations. For team compositions, Kaze pairs well with brawlers offering crowd control or support, such as tanks to absorb damage or healers to sustain them. Be wary of brawlers with high burst damage or strong area control, as they can effectively counter Kaze. Always try to play on maps with plenty of cover to maximize Kaze's close range advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.